bit that side.
Why so many wasps?
Bees looking for a new home.
There's about a tenth there now compared to what there was. There's only a small amount left now. They won't hurt you.
Well, we've only moved here sort of 3 or 4 months ago, so still getting to learn the area.
Yeah, we're right on the boundary, really close.
It's 100 metres away.
Yeah.
So yeah, there is communication amongst them from your stuff. No, it's just now just smoking it. I think it's there. So sit with that now, just to smoke it.
After our teaching's 5 minutes, I'll see the start of the extraction process. That's mine.
Margaret sometimes used to have it, and they come in on the chemicals. So that's what that bee is doing. Is saying to all the other bees, the queen is here. Everyone comes. So this is probably going to take about another hour. What you would normally do now is go away, come back in a couple of hours, because all the bees that are out flying will not be back for another couple of hours.
Still foraging, yeah.
That's it.
And does he point to the hive as well? Because he seems to be pointing in that direction as well.
Yeah, and then other bees are now doing the same.
Oh yeah, they're all
So they're all doing exactly the same.
coming in.
So
This is amazing.
I'm
It is,
sort
isn't
of
it?
reasonably happy now because all the bees are saying we're here, Queen's here, get here. So with a bit of luck, and the bees were working their way down. So it depends. What time does the college close?
Half.
Kids finish at 3:30ish, but there's somebody on site till 10 o'clock tonight.
Oh no, it won't be that late. But whatever happens, by the time it's all dark, so the whole idea is the ones on the top are trying to get in, they'll work it out, they need to get underneath. So it's whether we come back in a couple of hours, because now that they should be coming off the bush in here.
And is this going to go off to someone's hive to start a new? Have you got one? Have you got one?
Yes.
Is this how you get them normally? Pop into the wild, look for a collection of bees.
You've got them all on your head.
Oh, right. It's all right. It's after.
I'm just thinking we're in white coats as well.
Yeah, that's why they were attracted to us
I
yesterday.
was just thinking, yeah, I've got gel on my neck from there.
Yeah, they are more of them doing it now, aren't they?
Yeah.
So that's a good sign.
That one's.
So we wouldn't notice any difference really.
I'm just going to check on Tatiana with that. Oh, am I okay, Anne?